Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. This video is going to be very important for those candidates particularly who got low score and high rank. Let me give you an example. What can be the score? Score maybe up to 50,000, 60, 70,000, 80,000, and depending and you are targeting a clinical branch, or even you might be targeting radio, dermat, general medicine, pediatrics, orthopedics, or even lower clinical branches. Even you have like a lesser budget and high rank, then how to proceed, what fee structure you need to be ready with, and what will be the cutoff. So I'm going to share all these important states like Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Rajasthan, Bihar, Himachal Pradesh, and Pondicherry. These 6 states I'm going to share with you, the kind of a like summary, the fee structure for high clinical and lower clinical, and cutoff for all these states. Uttar Pradesh, for Haryana, for all medical colleges in Rajasthan, Bihar, Himachal Pradesh, and Pondicherry. So it has mostly North Indian states and one South Indian state, that is Pondicherry. So if you're new to the channel, you must subscribe the channel and click on the bell button. You don't forget to like the video because it takes quite effort from our side. We do analysis and we prepare a nice presentation to help you out, and you can keep a screenshot also for your future references. Okay, so these states registration, because all of these states are open states, that's why it's important, equally important for all the candidates not coming from these states, from other states also. And the cutoff I have given in the video is for open seats. It's not for government quota seat, it's for open seat, so that's applicable to any candidate. Okay, in case you want to avail our paid counseling guidance, so you need to call us on 9319128677. The same number has got WhatsApp facility, so you can send us WhatsApp messages also. Till yesterday we were giving 10% of discount, but if you have a budget issue, we can consider that, but in exceptional cases. Okay, under the paid counseling guidance, we will cover all the counseling processes, starting from All India Deemed University DNB, open state private counseling, your own state private colleges counseling, and it might be NB diploma and CPS also in the later point. Okay, you will keep receiving all the updates so that you don't miss out any registration or any kind of important opportunity for you, and you will be shared with all the details about the colleges, stipend, bond details, and rules and regulations, how to balance out between among multiple counseling process if you're going for open state and deemed university or multiple open states, and how to do the choice filling in order to get the best possible result. So ultimate aim of the counseling process is to get the best possible in your different parameters or factors. So let's start with Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh has got 21 non-minority colleges and 5 minority colleges. The minority colleges are Muslim minority college, and one is Jain minority college. There are 7 new colleges out of 26. There are 7 new colleges, so that's big number. I had already created a separate video about the fee structure, about seat matrix for the new colleges, and just take a look at the fee structure. The fee structure there is high only particularly in minority medical college like ERA or the Tirthankar Mahavir, but those are good private medical colleges. Fee structure you can see high in career medical college also, but it will be on mediocre side for non-minority medical colleges like SRM Bareilly, Sarda, Saraswati Medical College, Muzaffarnagar Medical College, Hind Medical College, and there are many other medical colleges. And some colleges has got a lesser tuition fee last year, up to 15 lakhs or 14.5 lakhs. Some Subarthi got 13.4 lakhs per year tuition fee, but this year the tuition fee is getting increased for those colleges. It has not been announced on the official website of UPDGME, but in some time you can get an update about the fee increment for those colleges where the tuition fee was high. Some of the colleges are also having a hidden fee, so you need to be aware. At the same time, it's very good option to go for Uttar Pradesh. At the same time, you will need to be aware that the which are the colleges has got hidden fee, which colleges has got very less stipend, and which colleges has got good stipend. The bond is 1 to 2 years in private medical colleges in Uttar Pradesh. And if you take a look at the cutoff for upper clinical, then you can expect to get like radio or such type of seat in more than 50 up to 50 to 55,000 rank also in higher tuition fee. Some of the colleges has 10% fee incremental. If you are talking about lower clinical, then you can expect to get a seat in just qualified score also. Surgery also is available in just qualified, but you have to be very knowledgeable about the colleges, which college has got how much of hidden fee and all such things. Now take a look at next state, Haryana. Haryana has got one college where you have good opportunity, that is called SGT Medical College. Is in the city of Gurgaon, which is in the Delhi NCR. Delhi NCR has got Noida, Faridabad, Ghaziabad, and Greater Noida, Delhi, and Gurgaon. So these cities are in the connection of Delhi, and is not in outskirts but in the main city. So SGT is also good option. If you take the fee, take a look at the fee structure. The higher clinical has got the fee structure from 28 lakhs per year to up to 36 lakhs per year, and lower clinical is 20 lakhs per year. And cutoff for higher clinical will be ranging in 33 to 60,000 rank, up to 33,000 rank. Some branches will be closing at 33,000 rank, and some other higher clinical branches up to 60,000 rank. Lower clinical you can get there in just qualified score as well. So it's good option even you are looking, and you can compare your budget with the lower clinical or higher clinical tuition fee. Third state is Rajasthan. Rajasthan has got 6 private medical colleges in the city of Jaipur and Udaipur. There are 2 cities where the private medical colleges are available as of now, and it has got very good, very high fee structure. The upper clinical branches fee starts from around 50 lakhs per year for management quota. I'm not talking about government quota here. For management quota, and it goes up to 70 lakhs per year. Okay. For radio, dermatology, orthopedics, pediatrics, general medicine, and all such branches. Lower clinical fee starting from 20 and goes up to 35 lakhs per year. And if you take a look at the cutoff score for both higher clinical and lower clinical, you can expect to get a seat in just qualified score. But you have to be aware about the fact that it will ask you for 2 years of bank guarantee. It means you need to keep the fee amount ready for next 3 years. You need to pay the first year tuition fee, but you have to show the bank guarantee for next 2 years tuition fee. So that might be a difficult option, and you might fail to show the bank guarantee at the time of actual admission process. So you need to consider those factors also. It's very good option, but at the same time your budget should be on the higher side. Fourth option is state of Bihar. State of Bihar has got 3 private medical college. First medical college, there are 2 minority medical college. One is Muslim minority medical college, that is Katihar Medical College. Second is Sikh minority medical college, Mata Gujri Devi, and third is non-minority medical college, that is Narayana Medical College. And the fee structure for higher clinical, lower clinical, higher clinical fee structure starting from 18 point something to 40 lakhs per year, and lower clinical fee structure there is very low, 7 lakhs, 9.5 lakhs, 11.5 lakhs, like that, up to 19 lakhs per year for surgery and all such branches. Take a look at the cutoff for higher clinical. It goes up to 60,000, among branches of radio, dermat, general medicine, pediatrics, orthopedics, and all such branches. Lower clinical is available up to 71,000 rank also. These colleges has got very good patient flow, because the less number of college, so high patient flow will be there, because all the patient will get distributed among 3 colleges. And the academic is not that good, but they will provide you good stipend also. And so you can consider Bihar state as an option if your score is not good, and you can match with your tuition fee also. Himachal Pradesh is the next option in our list, and it has got just one private medical college that is open, and candidates coming from any state can apply for Himachal Pradesh and can get admission into MME Solan. Taking a look at a fee structure, the higher clinical had got the fee structure starting from 26 lakhs to 30 lakhs per year, and lower clinical has fee structure starting from 17 lakhs to 26 lakhs per year. Cutoff for these branches, for higher clinical branches, will be ranging from 24,000 to 78,000, and for lower clinical you can get the seat there in just qualified score also. The last option in the list is Pondicherry. Pondicherry has got 3 private medical colleges: PIMS Medical College, Sri Venkateswara Medical College, and Manakula Vinayagar. So these 3 private medical colleges are there. The fee structure is same for both higher clinical and lower clinical, that is 23 lakhs per year. And just take a look at the cutoff for higher clinical, 30,000 to 72,000 rank. You can expect to get a higher clinical subject up to orthopedics, and lower clinical subject is available up to starting from rank of 50,000 to just qualified score. So these are the top options available for you, except deemed universities, because in the deemed university, if your rank is high, you need to be ready with a high tuition fee. Okay, and in open state you can get a seat in fairly lower tuition fee, as I mentioned in the tuition fee and cutoff. Okay, so with this video I believe you might have got some idea. In case of your rank is for example 63,000 and you are looking for particular branches, even you have multiple options in the branches, then where you should go in your budget and what type of colleges you should get. In case you are not sure how to get the complete information about the colleges and how to choose the colleges among these options and how to prioritize, then you can connect with us with our paid counseling guidance. Our expert team will be helping you until the admission process. So until next video, goodbye and take care. We will meet again with some new and important topics.